Hey, Marcus. Can you turn this way so Mama can see you? Hi. Can you play me a song? Are you tuning your yucca? Be gentle. Remember, be gentle with yucca. You need to be gentle with your yucca. Are you hugging? Can you give it a kiss? Can you give your yucca a kiss? Oh, that was very nice. Can you play a song? Good kissing. Good kissing. Good kissing. Can you play a song? Can you strum? Can you strum? Can you strum? Yucca. You love your yucca, don't you? Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye.
You want to put it bye-bye? You say bye-bye, yucca. Bye-bye, yucca. Can you play a song?
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Can you say bye-bye?